Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. Hello, data and skill explorers. Welcome to DivK Learner, a bit forward daily. Today we are going to explore index and custom columns, जो आपके career और learning journey के लिए बहुत helpful होगा. In this session, we will learn how to add index columns and create custom columns, calculated columns in Power BI using the UI user interface without M code, step by step, ताकि आप इस concept को अपने real project में apply कर सकें. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. और अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक करें और शेयर करें उन लोगों के साथ जो इससे यूजफुल पा सकते हैं. Like, share, and subscribe to DivK Learner. It may help someone out there looking to get job ready or upgrade their skills. Your share can truly make a difference. So let us try to explore and churn data today. चलो शुरू करते हैं. So जैसे मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, this is the part that we'll be covering today. So let's go to the Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop पे जाते हैं. So here we have connected this data till in my previous video as well. You can see it from the previous video how you can get the data, how you can work on it. But if you're working on this data, you will see that in the customer data we are getting columns like column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, which is not a good way of working. So let's just find out how we can change it. What are the reasons why this data is not coming correct? So what you can do is you can go to the home, you can click on transform data, and the moment you click on transform data, it will open up the Power Query editor for you. That's the Power Query editor. So if we see the customer data, we have the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. All of them are of type text, right? You can see it from here. All of them are of type text. And you will see that the first row is actually what we are looking forward for. We have the customer name, we have city, state, and country. So what I can do is I want this column to be moved as the header of the columns. So what I can do is I can go into the transform, I can click on use the first row as header. So the moment I click on it, it adds a applied step there, and at the same time it makes the first row as the header for each column. The other thing that I wanted to see is if all my datas are fine now, whether they're having the right data type or not. So for the customer name, city, state, and country, we require it to be in the format of the text. If we go to the product details, we have two columns, product name and cost price. So product we require as the text, cost price we require as the numbers. That's the reason you see 1.2. And the sales, customer name, product, and selling price, I see all of them are approximately in the correct format except the sales data. So एक बार मैं दोबारा बता देता हूँ. कस्टमर डेटा के अंदर हम देख रहे हैं सारा डेटा जो है बिल्कुल सही है. इट इज ऑल इन टेक्स्ट, क्योंकि कस्टमर नेम भी टेक्स्ट चाहिए, सिटी भी टेक्स्ट चाहिए, स्टेट भी टेक्स्ट होना चाहिए और कंट्री भी. जब हम प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स में जा रहे हैं तो प्रोडक्ट नेम जो है दैट शुड बी टेक्स्ट. दैट्स द रीजन हम वहां पर एबीसी देख रहे हैं. The cost price is 1.2. That is fine क्योंकि हमें वो डेसिमल नंबर में चाहिए cost price. When we are talking about the sales data, ये तीनों तो सही हैं. Customer name, product, and selling price, they are correct. The only issue is with the sales date. So when we are seeing the sales date, वहाँ पर sales date जो है 1 to 3 आ रहा है. Date cannot be 1 to 3, right? उसके लिए data type date है. So we have to move this sales data from there into the date. I can decide which format of date I want to use. Do I require the date time, date, just time, date time, time zone, duration? I'll go with the date here. Now I have a choice whether I want to add a new step or I want to replace the existing one. If I click on the add new, you will see there is another change type in which I've only changed one type of the sales date. यहाँ पर जब मैंने add a new step करा तो इसने एक नया applied step छोड़ दिया, जिसके अंदर आप देख रहे हो कि सिर्फ एक ही डेटा टाइप को वो चेंज करा है. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा नहीं करना. आई डोंट वांट टू डू दिस. आई डोंट वांट अ सिंगल step to be doing that. I want to update this one which is considering it as the integer numbers. तो मैं I'll do the same thing. I'll go here and I will say date. मैं यहाँ पर जाकर सिलेक्ट करूंगा डेटा टाइप और डेट पे क्लिक करूंगा, एंड देन आई विल से रिप्लेस करंट, और मैं वहां जाकर बोल दूंगा कि इसको रिप्लेस करंट करना चाहिए. तो द मोमेंट आई डू दैट, आप यहाँ पे देख रहे थे कि टाइप इंटीजर है. यू वर वाचिंग दैट इट इज द टाइप इज इंटीजर, बट नाउ इट हैज चेंज्ड टू डेट. So this is how we can do this. Now let's go to the first thing that we had to do. This is where we were cleaning the data, right? So I can apply the changes here. The moment I click on apply, it will open up that window, and you will see here also, if I go to the sales state, it is showing that the data type is state. Now, coming back to the query editor or Power Query Editor, what we have to do is we have to work on the index column. So if I want to add an index column with the customer, for example, I want the customer ID to be generated automatically, I can come here to add column. मैं add column में आ सकता हूँ, जैसे मुझे कस्टमर की कस्टमर आईडी बनानी है, तो I can come here और यहाँ पर आके मैं क्लिक कर सकता हूँ index column पर. So I have various choices here. I can start from 0, I can start from 1, I can start from custom. Even after creating it, I can change. So let's just start with from 0. This is what I get when I start from 0. I have a column. Now the numbering of each customer is starting from 0 rather than 1. I can put in another custom column starting from 1. So you will see that it is starting from 1. With an increment of 1, it is putting the name there. So पहले वाला जो था वो 0 से शुरू हुआ, दूसरा वाला जो है 1 से शुरू हुआ, दोनों के बीच में एक एक का इंक्रीमेंट था. अगर मुझे कोई कस्टम करना है, I'm sorry, I didn't have to do that. अगर मुझे कोई कस्टम करना है तो आई कैन क्लिक ऑन कस्टम, और मैं यहाँ पे बोलता हूँ कि मेरे पास पहले से एम्प्लॉय हैं जो 1000 हैं या 5000 हैं, तो मैं 5001 से शुरू करना चाहता हूँ विद एन इंक्रीमेंट ऑफ 1. और माइट बी मेरे किसी और सिस्टम ने कुछ चेंजेस करे हैं उसके अंदर, दे आर गिविंग अ डिफरेंट नंबर, मैं उनको 10 के डिफरेंस में रखना चाहता हूँ, तो आई विल पुट इन 10 हियर एंड क्लिक ऑन ओके. तो आप देखेंगे यू विल सी दैट my numbers are incrementing by 10, 5001, 5011, 5021, 5031, 5041. So 5001, 5011, 5021, 5031, 5041, 5041, इस तरह से नंबर बढ़ रहे हैं. So ये है how we can manage the index. I'll show you another part of it. I will get rid of the last two index that I've created. मैं अपने last जो दो index create करें उनसे उनको हटा देता हूँ. And then I'll talk about the index. If you see this wheel symbol, what I can do is I can do a double click on it and it will open up a dialog box for me. अगर आपको यहाँ पर एक व्हील का सिंबल दिख रहा है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप उस अप्लाइड स्टेप के ऊपर डबल क्लिक करेंगे तो वो आपके लिए एक डायलॉग बॉक्स खोलेगा. इन द डायलॉग बॉक्स आई कैन पुट द स्टार्टिंग नंबर, सो आई विल से 10 with the increment of 1 and I click on OK. तो यहाँ पर आप देखोगे कि 10 से शुरू हो गया. But in my case, what I have to do is I have to start with 1. So मैं 1 पे क्लिक करता हूँ और OK करता हूँ, तो ये 1 से शुरू हो रहा है. Now let's move to the next concept, which is of calculated column. I'm just revising it. मैंने इसके ऊपर सारे videos पहले भी बना रखे हैं. So you can see the previous videos. You can see them in the previous videos in the same series where I talked about the various things of the custom columns. पर यहाँ पर मैं एक custom column बना लेता हूँ. And in the custom column, what I require is I require the city. एम्परसेंड लगा के हम concatenate कर सकते हैं city and state, right? और मैं ओके पे क्लिक कर देता हूँ. यहाँ पर एक चीज जो मैं मिस कर गया, दैट इज दी ब्रैकेट्स. तो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कि सिटी और स्टेट को इसने कॉन्कैटिनेट कर दिया, बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू demarcate the name where the city is getting completed and where the state is starting from. So what I can do is I can write another and, right? In the double quote, I can put a comma, give a space, and close the double quotes. So the moment I do this, you will see I have Surat, comma, Rajasthan. So this is the other thing that we are doing. अब ये column का नाम हमें अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. We require it as city state. So हम यहाँ पे custom को जाके city state कर देंगे. City space state. तो एक column का नाम change हो गया. अगर आपको ये लग रहा है कि this is tough to do it from here, what you can do is आप यहाँ पे डबल क्लिक करते हैं तो यहाँ पर भी आपको कॉलम का नाम मिलता है. यू कैन अपडेट द कॉलम नेम फ्रॉम हियर एज वेल. So I will just click on cancel. We have done this. So this is what I wanted to show you. आज मैं आपको दो चीजें दिखाना चाहता था, एक इंडेक्स कॉलम and the other one is the calculated column का रिवीजन करने के लिए. Why did we do that? Because we are going to create this project. right? So this would be the first project that we'll be creating, but this would be in the journey of various different projects that we'll be creating. So the first thing is to get your data clean. You need to apply the changes, whatever you have done there. Once you have done that, your data would be available here. If I now check the date, selling date, it is date. If I check the index, it is giving me the numbers index, right? So that is the things that I wanted to show you. In the next video or tomorrow, we will be diving into very data analytical need, right? Something that everybody in the data analytics requires lot to work on different tables and to merge them together. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to cover different joins, how to match keys and preview the merged results. So that is what we are going. That is a very important factor for this particular example that we are going to create, as in for this particular project that we are working on, right? So with that, that's all for today, data and skill explorers. You have just moved one step forward in your learning journey. बस आज इस वीडियो के ज्ञान का सफर यहीं खत्म होता है, लेकिन याद रखें, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस ही आपको एक्सपर्ट बनाएगी. इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो यूजफुल, लाइक एंड शेयर इट और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आप कोई भी नया लेसन मिस ना करें. So I'm your skill and data explorer peer, DivK learner, a bit forward daily. See you in the next video. Tab tak, keep enjoying, keep churning. Bye.